All right, here's what's next. Okay, I'm on the top of the page right now, but if you like had to do some problems here and you're not on the top of the page, it's not a big deal. Okay, but let's go ahead and title this. This next topic, we're gonna build on what we already learned. Okay, so a good idea for you to go back and just make sure you are good so far and you have 100% so far, because if you have mistakes so far, this is gonna be even harder. We're gonna distribute a monomial, remember that's one term, okay, into a polynomial. Now, polynomial means many, like poly just means many, so this just means many terms. We're going to do binomials, we're going to do trinomials. I'm going to do one longer one just so you know you can do it, but usually we don't do it because it's super annoying. Okay, so here are our examples. Okay, here's the first one. 3x, that's our monomial. We're going to distribute it into this trinomial. Trinomial has 3 terms. So what that means is we're going to multiply, multiply, multiply. Now look, when we do the multiplication, we're just going to do what we've been doing so far. So 3x times 2x squared. So remember, we multiply the numbers. 3 times 2, that's 6. This is x times x times x. That's 3 x's. Okay. Next, 3 times negative 4. Careful, watch your signs. Positive times negative is negative. 3 times 4 is 12. X times x is x squared. 3 times 7, this is positive times positive. 3 times 7 is 21. And there's an x here being multiplied. There's no additional x's here, so that's just 1x. Okay, this is what it looks like. Here's another example. This time my monomial is negative. I'm multiplying negative 5n squared into 3n to the third minus n. Okay, so again, I'm distributing, so I'm going to multiply, multiply. Negative times positive is negative. 5 times 3 is 15. N times n, right, this is 2 n's, n times n, times n times n times n is n to the 5th, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 n's being multiplied. Okay, now this, look, negative times negative is positive. This is like a negative 1n, right? So this is negative times negative is positive. 5 times 1 is 5. And n times n times n. That's 3 n's. Okay. I'm going to do a longer one. We don't see these too much, but I want you to see, like, you can do it if you need to. This one's super annoying. Okay, so it's not a matter of, like, this is something we're going to do all the time, but I want you to see, like, you can do it. This is not beyond you. So here's like a long, annoying one, right? This is 4 terms, okay? And notice I have 2 different variables. So we're just going to pay careful attention and just be very detail-oriented here, okay? So I'm multiplying. 4 times 3 is 12. This is x times n times x. So that's 1n, and there's 2 x's here. X times x, right? Now here, 4 times negative 5. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times 5 is 20. And then I have also being multiplied an x and an n. Nice to just put them in alphabetical order. So I'm going to put the n first, then the x. If you put x first and then the n, it's okay. That's fine. Okay, next one. 4x times 2x. 4 times 2 is 8. These both are positive. Positive. X times x is x squared. Last one. Look, this one's a constant. I have no variables here. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times 7 is 28. And then this was 4x times 7. So there's an x attached. Okay, no additional variables. There wasn't anything on the 7. So it's just 4x times negative 7. That's negative 28x. Okay, so here's my long, annoying answer. We don't get these too much, but it's the same, right? It's just a matter of just slowing down and making sure we're careful with the details.